Hello, my beautiful hearts. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is quite special because I'm going to share you a stunning festive makeup look for celebrating this Navratri or Durga Puja. This look is all about bold, shimmery eyes with that classic festive elegance. So whether you are going all traditional or mixing it up, I have got you covered. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and now let's get festive ready together. First and foremost is to tie my hair back, otherwise it will disturb my makeup. Now let's get started. So first I shall prep my skin, and here I'm using Truderma Vitamin C Serum, which I shall apply by my hands, and that too by dabbing technique. Now let's give 5 seconds to dry this serum. Next up is Bioderma SPF 50 Plus sunscreen. So whether it be day or night event, I usually apply this to either protect from sunlight or harsh lightings. This also gives me good base to start with my makeup. Now let's moisturize lips with Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. Now I shall conceal my dark circles by using Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette, and of course using my beautiful fingers to apply all over. I also have hyperpigmentation on my forehead, chin and cupid area. So let's apply same concealer same way across these areas. Now let's give 5 seconds to set this concealer. Next is foundation. So here I'm using Nykaa's foundation stick in the shade 03 Rose Beige. Now this I'm applying with Crown's Queen 4-in-1 brush, and you can see I shall use this brush multiple times in this tutorial. As you can see, I'm just dabbing and not dragging this brush because we have applied multiple products underneath and we want each one to play its own role. So next I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium, which is one shade lighter than my skin tone, and this I'm applying only on my high points. Now just leave concealer for 10 seconds, and now using same Crown's brush I shall dab and set my concealer. In order to pack my concealer, I'm using Maybelline's Matte Poreless Compact in the shade 310 Sun Beige and applying to concealed areas. Now let's move in creating bold shimmery eyes. Here I shall use my spoolie brush and brush my eyebrows at upward direction. I took black shade from Swiss Beauty's eyeshadow palette number 05, dusted well and then outlined my eyebrows. Now holding my brush straight, I shall move my brush down till end of my eyebrows. One eyebrow is done, shall quickly do the other one and show you the results. You can see now how my face changed. So if you do your eyebrows well, it gives you that elevated look. Now I shall take neutral shade from same eyeshadow palette and apply to end of my eyelids and crease area. Make sure you don't drag eyeshadow over and above your last step of eyebrows. It should be your reference point. Make sure neutral shade doesn't exceed to front end of your eyelids. It should only occupy half of your lid. Now again from same palette, I shall take darker shade, dab out extra product and apply again at the crease area and end of lids. Just blend till it looks smoother and there is no harsh lines. Now it's time for some shimmer. Here I'm taking silver shade from same palette and applying at mid of my eyelid and inner corner. Now from same palette, using a warmer copperish shade and applying at same areas, that is mid of my eyelid and inner corner. I shall take very little black shade from the same palette and apply to end of my eyelid. Here I shall be little careful and build black shade slowly. Also blending it from lower part as well. Now from same palette I shall take this shade which I used before and again blend at crease area, end of lid and lower part as well. Now I shall use Lakme Ultimate Glam eyeliner and line my eyelids bit thicker for that bold Durga Puja look. Shall quickly do other eye as well. Now let's move to Kajal. Here I'm using Lakme Absolute Kajal and apply at lower waterline of my eyes. Now from same palette I'm using this silver shimmery shade and highlighting my brow bone for that extra shine. Again using same brown shade which was used before and now smudging it well with Kajal at lower waterline to give that smoky effect. Now applying Mars Double Trouble Mascara at eyelashes for that voluminous effect. For blush, as usual, I am using Bella Vita's lipstick in the shade number 16 Barbie Pink for that long-lasting stay. And do try this, it really works. Now last but not the least but my most favorite part, that is lipstick. Here I'm using combo of Mars lip liner in the shade 07 Magnetic Magenta and lipstick is from Sugar in the shade 10 Drop Dead Red. In this look, I would like to add some false eyelashes, so let me quickly put them on with some add-on jewelry and show you my final look. Tada! I am puja ready with jewelry, sindoor, bindi, chudi. Do let me know in comment section on how did you find this video. Also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel which is Maushmi Roy. Till then, stay healthy, stay hearty till we meet again. Bye.